So I know you see a lot of guys on TikTok trading and making a lot of money in a very short time, and you've always wondered how is it that that guy can do that. Now let me tell you something. Trading on DERIV is the same as trading forex. There's no difference. You will have to do something called market analysis in general. And you cannot trade and make a lot of money without understanding some aspects of the market before you start trading, while you're trading, and after you finish trading. So I'll show you a few things that I personally do for me to know what to look for in the market. You get my point? So the first thing that I normally do is I check on something called the types of candles that are being formed. You get me? So once I check on the types of candles that are being formed, I can easily tell if I'm to trade rise or if I'm to trade fall. You see, for me, I only trade rise and fall. I don't do anything else. And not every green candle is for trading rise, and not every red candle is for trading fall. You need to understand maybe market structure, types of candles that are being formed. If you're going to use a specific duration, maybe ticks, seconds, minutes, that's up to you. For me, I use ticks and I use seconds most of the time. You get my point? So I'll come here to Smart Trader and I'll show you a document that I upload. There's another trader who made something like this. So I just saw it. I saw this type of document in his video and he said, let me make my own. Because we understand how these things are done. So you come here to Smart Trader, then you will come here to charts. You will see down here these charts, then this explanation. So you'll come here to charts and then you will have to upload a specific document. Now this chart template, for me, I'll just load it because I already uploaded it. So this one right here called new CPI. So in this document, I am able to see which type of candle is being formed, and I can tell what that candle's purpose is. You get my point? So you can see something like Marubuzu, you can see something like Doji, you can see literally many types of candles being formed here. Okay, and these candles, each candle usually tells you something specific about the market. Or if you see a series of candles, you're able to know what's exactly happening in the market at that particular time. You get my point? So those are the things that they look at. I personally look at before I start trading, while I'm trading, and also after I'm done trading. So that's the first thing. I will be able to look at these candles and know, is this place good to trade rise or is this place good to trade fall? And if it is, am I going to use ticks? Am I going to use seconds? Am I going to use minutes? What am I going to use? Am I going to trade manually here, or am I going to use a trading robot? Get my point? So that's the first thing. The second thing is, obviously, now I have simplified that document and I've made another one which talks about how your favorite trader makes hundreds of dollars in seconds. And they look at specific things. One of them is the market structure. Of course, if you're trading rise and fall like myself, you need to know if this market is going up, at what zone am I in currently? Get my point? And same for fall. The momentum of the market, has it gained enough momentum in terms of the direction it's going? Uptrend types of candles. Now there are specific candles that are good for trading rise, and there are specific candles that are good for trading fall. That's why I've written here uptrend candles and downtrend candles. And then there's also more information to be added on top. These are the things that they look at for them to be able to know, am I going to trade profitably here or not? And so you'll see them never posting losses. It's not like we don't make losses, we actually do. It's just that if you compare the losses to the wins are way more than the losses. So if you've ever been told something like self-analyzing, if you've had statements like, oh, this trading robot is this AI software is self-analyzing, or this AI software is automated, if you've ever used or had those types of words, you need to run, because I don't understand how you will pay someone hundreds of thousands of shillings just to get something that you can do for yourself, and also something that will not really work the way you expect it to work, because there's no trading that happens without analyzing. You can never trade without doing analysis. It will never happen. Now you might be lucky, but for the most part of it, you'll never make any money. You get my point? So once you get these types of information, these types of knowledge, you'll be able to trade profitably. Of course, this knowledge is not free. Just like any other good thing out here, it's not free. You have to sacrifice something for it. But once you do so and you start understanding it and trade on your live account, you'll start seeing some money coming in. You get my point?